So anyway, I've had a couple of plates here at the Bacchanal buffet. That was really good fried chicken, is what that was. The prime rib was as good as any prime rib I've ever eaten anywhere, and I'm from Kansas City. Fresh squeezed orange juice, and one of the reasons I'm coming back is there was more to the buffet, so we're gonna go check it out. I took you all the way down to this corner, but there's the rest of this. I think that's good. And this is all fresh juices. The obligatory omelet station. Some Italian food. Try a little pizza, maybe. Just some, hey, you want Fruit Loops? You want to pay $40 for Fruit Loops? Knock yourself out. Some sort of vaguely healthy things. It still has a lot of sugar in it. Some meats and cheeses along here. And some kind of prepared salads. And toppings. And so forth. And then you've got an Asian area with a lot of food I will not be eating, but which you might enjoy. Excuse me. So, yeah, this is all in addition to what we saw earlier. So, call this sort of a bonus video. I'm going to try a slice of pizza. I'm getting full. Maybe a meatball. Then we're going to get some of that sorbet or ice cream or whatever. Anyway, I guess this is part 2 of Bacchanal Buffet Brunch. So, thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.